Hello and welcome to Crypto G. I'm your host Gary, and today we'll take a few minutes and learn how to do something together. We're going to go on an adventure and learn about the Altura loot boxes, and we are going to collect the entire collection of eggs. So let's get started. We're at the marketplace here. Click on Connect. I'm going to click on Wallet Connect because I'm using my iPhone by my side here, and go to Settings, New Connection, reveal the QR code, and we will get our wallet connected and begin the adventure. The loot boxes are super exciting, and I want to apologize for not getting this video posted sooner, but it's a new concept. You get a key, which is an NFT in and of itself, and this key allows you to open up a loot box with verifiable, random, on blockchain rewards that are going to come out of this loot box, which are also Smart NFTs. So we are here in the marketplace. We've gone to the Hatchables Key. We're going to click on Buy Item, and we will get a list of sellers and click on the first one. Put in the quantity you want to buy. Click on Purchase. And over in our wallet, we should get a smart contract call. Tap on Confirm, and then wait for the transaction to complete. Sometimes this wait for transaction message lags for a while and doesn't go away. Once you see the crypto leave your wallet, it's done. So I'm just going to refresh the page here. And now we've got one key in our wallet. All right, so let's go use this key and unlock the loot box and get our first egg. Click up at the top here, loot boxes, and click on Open Now. Those eggs do look delicious. All right, we have a key, so we can go ahead and click on Unlock. All right, over to our wallet, we are going to get a smart contract call. Tap on Confirm, and then now is the exciting part. We wait. Let's see what we're going to get. I'll speed this up a little bit for you. And here's our first egg. We got a painter egg, which is a common. All right, well, haven't struck gold yet, but we'll keep trying. One of my favorite Crypto tweets was when he tweets, "Gold is fool's Bitcoin." I think that's hilarious. All right, we've run out of keys, so we need to get some more. So I'm going to go ahead and buy some more keys here and speed this up here. Get a few more keys and let's keep going. All right. Let's unlock again, confirm the smart contract call, and see if we can get a little more luck on our side. All right, we got another common cyborg egg. That one looks super cool. And I'm going to speed this up here. Super egg, common. Squid egg, common. And I did go buy a bunch more keys after this. Grabbed another 10. And we're going to do some more. We got a doctor egg. Still more commons. Let's see if we can get some more luck here. Nope, another doctor egg. Explorer egg. Cyborg egg. Thor egg. Uncommon. A little better. Oh, our first rare, an ice cream egg. Right on. Urban egg, rare. 2 rares in a row. That is awesome. And here we go. We're unlocking again. And we got a legendary Altura egg, guys. This is 1 in 300 odds to hatch this. Right on. Then we got a couple more commons. And here we go. Let's go. Altura egg, legendary. So excited. This thing listing from 8 BNB. Wow. Cyborg egg, explorer egg. Another cyborg egg. Explorer egg, witch egg, explorer egg. I'm getting a lot of these explorer eggs. Space egg, painter egg, dynasty egg, another rare one, right on. All right, so I'm just blasting through this, guys, because I don't want it to be too repetitive, but those are all the ones that I hatched so far, and this is what my collection looks like. So I don't have all of them yet, but I do have some duplicates, so I'll quickly show you how to put them up for sale. Just click on Approve for Sale, click on Confirm on the smart contract call, wait for that transaction to complete. If that hangs there for a while, then this one, okay, wait for it to be approved. There we go. Click OK. I sped that up a lot. Next thing here, we're going to click on list for sale. And I like to list them in Altura. I want to get that Altura token and I want to hold on to it. Sell this guy for 50 Altura token. And we both know one day that's going to be worth 50 bucks. Let's go. Okay, so I got some more keys, did some more. Got another chef egg, student egg. That was one I needed. Another rare ice cream egg. I seem to have good luck with that one. Squid egg. Another ice cream egg. All right, so I'm missing a few. I need the robot egg, so I'm going to buy that. Click on buy, click on the seller, click on purchase. And I forgot to screen record on my iPhone here, so the wallet is missing on the side. And there we go. Now we've got the robot egg as well. There's a few more. I hatched a few more eggs here. I got a Viking egg. Another Viking egg, 2 in a row. All right, I got a few more that I need to buy. I can't seem to hatch them, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to buy the super rares here. And I know now I got these for a good deal, 2.24 BNB at the time of recording this, but at the time of doing this voiceover and doing the final edit, this has gone up in value now that everybody knows you get rewarded with Altura every time these hatch. All right, so we spent 2 BNB on a royal egg and the jester egg. I love the colors on that one. 1.9 BNB, let's go. All right. There's a couple more that I'm missing. The samurai egg here, the knight egg, and the baker egg. All right, so that's it. Here we go. We have the entire Hatchables egg collection. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. I think the designs are amazing, and I can't wait to see what comes out of these eggs. At the time of doing this voiceover, we've got 1 crack on all of them now, but very excited, very excited. Well, thanks guys for joining me in today's video. Sorry that it's a little late posting it up. If you have any questions or comments or ideas for my next video, feel free to leave those comments down below. I always reply to everybody that leaves a comment. And if you like what you saw today, hit that like button. If you want to see more of what I'm putting out, hit that subscribe button. Thank you again, guys. It's been an exciting ride with Altura. We are rocking the 30-cent range now, and that is amazing. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.